2,800 crore. One man, one movie. A rejected guy from the cricket, having spent almost nearly 13 years behind the scenes. Guys, I am talking about Aditya Dar, a renowned director from the cine industry. Guys, I am going to break down some 3 extraordinary professional techniques or professional skills what Aditya Dar possesses. Yes, no doubt, he is an awesome director, and he's a personality I will crack. So if you want to learn, please subscribe, because I'll be coming up with such videos. It's 2,800 crore. I'm not talking about the box office number, guys, because I'm talking about the skill sets what Aditya Dar possesses. You can just imagine, he was a rejected player from the cricket, not because of his skill, but because of the politics of selection. But did he go back? No. He ventured somewhere with a complete hidden skill for almost 20 years, playing behind, working behind, on the no screen, on the no scenes. But today, he is one of the topmost directors, guys. He redirected his source to cinema. He has worked so awesome, no scenes, no money, no recognition. But today, he plays among the top. Guys, I want to ask you, sir, how does this apply in my life skill? Imagine if you are rejected in your career, if you are rejected in your job, or if you are rejected in life, is it an end? Absolutely no, right? My dear friends, I need to say, you need to redirect your energy. Yes, I was working for LIC of India. You give me an ask, I was rejected. That doesn't mean that I was rejected completely from life. I redirected my focus, I redirected my vision, and today I am a renowned motivational trainer and a coach. My dear friends, I want to say, if you are rejected, rejection is not an end, guys. It is a turning point. Work on it. Aditya Dar did that, and that is what the turning made so successful. Guys, that was the first skill we spoke about. Let's talk about the second skill of Aditya Dar. Criticism. Every movie was a sensation. Maybe Yuri, maybe Article 370, or maybe Dhurandhar, or the recent Dhurandhar I'm talking about. Every movie, people said it is either politics or maybe it is propaganda. Have you ever seen Aditya Dar reacting to this or speaking about this? Absolutely no. He remained silent, because silence is always powerful, guys. He didn't want to answer somebody, but he wanted to answer through his results. That number is 2,800 crore today. The box office of 2,800 crore rupees because of silence. My dear friends, I say you, silence, always space. Never react for every criticism. The third quality or the third skill what Aditya Dar possesses is the analogy or the vision what he had. Hey, imagine a movie with 7 hours. Normally people think, because we have seen movies of 90 minutes or 120 minutes, people may say, hey, who will watch that 7 hours? Means, did he listen to others' comment? He had a bold vision of giving that 7 hours movie. And he bought that one in 3 hours and the other one in 4 hours. My dear friends, I want to say, you need not to bend to others' comments. You have your vision, you have your focus, keep working on it. And that was Mr. Aditya Dar who did that wonder. You can just imagine the recent movie Dhurandhar, which is a 4 hours movie. I was seeing the movie, people not getting out from the theatre even after 4 hours. That was the punchy thing he bought. Guys, I want to say you need not to bend for somebody's comment. Somebody throws you water, somebody ridicules you, somebody criticizes you. You need not to take it everything. The only thing is focus on your goal thing and focus on your work. Focus on your vision. So guys, these are the 3 professional skills what Aditya Dar possesses. The first skill was rejection. He handled it properly. Criticism, he never heard of it. The third one is the bold vision, he worked on it. I'm sure guys, these 3 things, the 3 skills what Aditya Dar possesses, you start working on it. You work on one thing from next day. I'm sure this will bring you an enormous change in your life. If you like this, come back to my video, give a comment, what did you apply? And subscribe, share, and please help me hitting the notification so that you get complete updates like this. I'll be bringing up number of videos like this with a number of life stories and number of skills, number of techniques to succeed in your life. Thank you very much.